Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is November the 20th and I'm using my brand new Easy Scalper trading system. This system uses 2 excellent scalping indicators. First one is the Easy Scalper. That's this moving average that changes from red to blue. And of course we have the super signal indicator. That's the ones with the arrows. Once it gets triggered, you'll get an audio alert and you'll get a pop-up box like you see right here, suggesting either to buy or sell. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, I'm in front of the computer, right where this vertical line is, and that's the New York time zone, looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision I want to be buying or selling, I manually put in this white arrow. Now here is the daily trade plan running in real time. I made all these trades much earlier in the morning, but I'm running late at putting this video together. As you can see, lots of bullish trades and preferred. So lots of trading opportunities for today. If you are trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is at least one good reason why you are not succeeding. If you have any questions about the daily trade plan or if you want to buy, well, just Skype me. Now we can get into these trades. First one was $1 CAD. Now I bought all the trades about 7:15 this morning, and less than 3 hours later, a little after 6, I closed out all the trades. And I closed them all out as I'm looking at the totals, and once I know that I have 200 or more pips and ticks, I basically happy. I just close out the trades and I'm done trading for the day. So let's see where I got in on this trade. So I bought it right here at this cursor, and there was the arrow from the daily trade plan. Scalper was blue, did qualify for a great way to trade. When I pulled the trigger right from this point, qualifies for a great way to trade. And I closed it out at this point. Looks like I closed it out at almost perfect timing. And that's locking in about 19 pips. And those pips paid out $138. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which was the Euro CAD. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. The scalper was blue. Did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. By the way, this is the kind of setups I'm looking for, and I see many trades every day looks exactly like this. So took the trade at this little blue cursor right here. Remember, blue means we're buying. If it happened to be red and this line would be red, that means we're selling, or we sold it. And I closed it out here just being happy with about 30 pips, and all those pips paid out $225. Okay, moving on to the next trade. Crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, this should be 26 ticks. So I bought it at this cursor. Qualified for a great way to trade. The scalper was blue. The daily trade plan, as I showed you, almost everything was blue. And what did I say? It should be around 26. There it is right there. 26 ticks, paying out $260. Moving along to the next trade, Euro New Zealand. Wanted to be buying it. The scalper was blue. The daily trade plan was saying to buy. Everything down at the bottom. Everything looking good for the market to be going up. And when I took the trade, Everything was looking great. Took the trade at this cursor. Looks like another one I closed out right around. Nice, perfect timing. Locking in about 46 pips, and all those pips paid out $276. Let's run a check on the next trade, the Dow Jones. This one pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 73 ticks. Remember, futures is ticks, Forex is pips. So it did one more cycle, bouncing off of a, looks like a triple bottom here. I knew it was going to hook around and go up. How do I know that? Well, my daily trade plan suggested it was going to go up. And it went up a lot more, hit the ADR at the top. But I closed it out being happy and looking at the money. This is going to be probably closer to 400 pips and ticks for today. So well over my daily quota when I'm trading of 200. So let's see, what did I say? 73, there it is right there. 73 ticks, paying out $365. Let's move on to the next trade, Russell, which pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, easy to see that this should be 38. So let's drag and drop this up. Did another cycle, and then there's your arrow. Well, there's one here and one here. Scalper eventually turned blue over here, and this trade made the decision taken directly from the daily trade plan. So got in at this cursor. What did I say? It should be about 38. There it is right there, 38 ticks, paying out $380. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Another one I bought. There's from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I pulled the trigger at. Well, the scalper was just showing a slight pullback. Price action, everything was saying, top and bottom, that it's going to go up. That's why when you have indicators, you got to know how to read the indicators. And all of these things I'm talking about takes time to learn. And there's only one way you're going to learn, is you need proper education. So I took the trade at this cursor and it closed out. Looks like it wouldn't go much higher. Looks like I locked in about 55 pips, and that paid out $400. Moving on to the next trade, the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided it by 5, and the calculator says it's approximately 102. So let's see if we can find that 102. Actually, it went up 2.5 times more. But where I was at this morning, trying to manage these trades, well, I can only manage it. I was actually away from the house, so I was just managing the trade directly from my laptop. When I'm at home, I'm using a desktop, which is what I recommend, especially for the first 5 or more years that you're trading, because you're going to be spending many hours every day, and a desktop can handle the workload. Anyhow, I got in at this cursor, one more cycle down, and then away it went. What did I say? 102. There it is right there. It's actually 102.4, but let's just go with the 102 ticks, and that paid out $512. Okay, now moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick, and it's one of my most favorite ones to trade, as it moves a lot more. You can tell just by the money here, and it pays a lot more. So if you're in this trading the markets, this game, well, then you got to trade what's going to pay out the most. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Pays $20 for each tick. Took the money, divided by 20. Calculator says it should be 78 ticks. So got in at this cursor. Daily trade plan said to buy. Scalper was just going through a cycle. Plenty of things telling me, especially down at the bottom, it's going to go up, especially right where this arrow is. And what did I say? 78. If I was in the trade right now, it'd be 155. And there it is right there. You remove the last two digits, it's 78 ticks. And that paid out $1,558. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper. And of course I added up all the pips and the ticks. I knew it was going to be well over 200. Grand total was 467. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $4,115. So if your system's not producing like my easy scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy, quite simple. All you got to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. You'll also see a quick and easy connection for Skype, as I really do prefer Skype. But if you so desire, you can just pick up the phone and call me directly, or you can also send me an email. Also, if you look in the description, you'll find 3 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. Recommend you getting all 3 of them. And I made it easy for you. There's a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. So if you have any interest, all you got to do is get in contact with me. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.